안녕하세요, 아미요입니다. 평소랑 배경이 좀 많이 다르죠? 지금 제가 친구 집 밑에 와 있는데요. 서로 오늘 머리를 잘라주기로 했어요. 지금 현재 미국은 거의 모든 게 다 닫혀있는 상태여가지고 미용실을 못 가는 상태인데요. 친구가 바리깡이 있다고 해서 오늘 친구 집에 놀러 왔습니다. 과연 머리가 어떻게 될지는 두고 봐야겠네요. 안녕, 보이. Hey, Jake.
What's up? How's it going? It's good.
Hey, your hair is all shabby too. You're not gonna get a haircut today?
Nah.
No?
I'm gonna
Okay.
keep my Jufro going.
Okay, fine.
But I'm happy to
Hi, Bowie.
help.
Okay, Jake. Ready? You wanna say hi before?
Hey! We're gonna first, I don't even know yet, but we're gonna do something where we like push all of this over and do.
Okay.
That's it.
Have you cut hair before?
No.
Okay. It's gonna be interesting. So you made this for me?
Yes. I think you could fit your
a trash
head in
bag.
there. Yeah.
You wanna
Yes.
rip this up a little bit for me so I don't
No.
have to fit in a trash bag? Yo, this is
Hold on.
Okay.
How's that? We also should probably put something around his neck, no? Smart.
clean.
Big things.
Clean from
Okay,
yesterday.
wrap it around my... And then tuck it in for me
Yeah.
in the trash bag.
So how's your day going?
I don't know. We'll find out after about 30 minutes.
Okay. So we're just gonna do this side first?
Yeah, this side first.
Okay. So like right here, right? Up to...
I can't see, so
Oh, yeah,
I'll just have to
good
trust
point.
you on it.
Yep, that's fine. Okay, we'll do one swipe up first and then we'll go from there,
All right.
okay? Here we go.
Just keep going.
Oh yeah, I will. Is it weird that this is fun? Okay. This is also the first time I've used this.
Really? You bought it and you never used it?
I never had an opportunity. There we go. That's good. Nope, no. That was a deep cut. Not bad, huh?
Alright.
Alright, there's probably some more stuff I can fix.
Okay.
I thought this was gonna be a lot more difficult. I mean, it may not look the best, but...
Is it only mirror I have?
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's a good mirror. There you go. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright.
so same thing on the other side.
Same thing on the other side.
Like more.
Yeah, just mow it away.
Yeah.
Hold my ear and just mow it.
Sorry.
Your hair's super black.
My hair's super black.
Yeah, no grays, man. You're doing good.
I mean, I am Asian, so Bowie, stop.
But we don't eat the hair. How do we blend this piece out? I don't know how to blend this side.
I mean, who cares about the back, right? I'm gonna be facing the camera when I record in later videos.
It's all about the front.
It's all about the front.
Yeah,
Just
it's
whatever.
true.
Just not gonna turn around.
I don't know. Try undoing it and see how it is.
Well, we don't have a comb, so my hair's gonna stay up like this.
Let's just see. Because it's gonna come over this side. What? No, is it
I
bad?
think you cut it too much.
I
think you should
have
have
this
saved
one.
this part.
No, it's okay.
This part's actually
Yeah.
not bad. So you want it to stay up at that height, like short all of it.
I guess, yeah. And then once it grows out, it will blend by itself.
This is like done. Actually looks good over here.
I think
It
this
looks
should
straight?
be-
Yeah.
It's around
should-
here.
This is not straight.
Let's make it work.
Make
Just make it work.
magic? I don't know.
You have to do more on this side. If you look on the camera, it's more easier to see.
Oh wow. Yeah, you can definitely see it much more in the camera
Oh, yeah?
than in real
Yeah.
life. What the heck?
It is right now. I can see a rainbow here.
How's that? Let's check the camera. Oh, jeez. It's better.
You have to make
It's
this
that part. I know. Looking good. Still
Okay.
looks like it's not bad. So right here, let's take a look really quick with the camera. Okay, it's hard because of the lighting. It definitely is different side.
It's better on the left hand side.
Yeah, it's better than the left hand side. Okay, you're gonna see this on the camera and be like, shit. Straight here, that's not straight. Alright, let me take a look. It's a little uneven. I think it seems like it's higher on the other side.
I think it's okay.
Yeah, when
Yeah,
you
let's
look-
go 3.
The 3 is just the back,
Half an inch around the edges, and then we can blend it.
so just up to like here.
Whatever suits you.
No mistakes accepted anymore.
Yeah, right. Okay, that's not cool. This is so difficult. It's not as fun anymore.
Can you turn?
Wait, no, don't turn. I almost did. Yeah.
Is it even?
I don't think so. Okay.
Even all around?
I have no idea. Let's see. I feel like this side is just lower in general than this side.
That's fine. Yeah, I think so too, but it's okay.
Do you want me to keep going up?
No.
No.
Then we'll try.
Let's put down your hair and see how it
Yeah.
looks.
I wish I had a comb.
You can use this.
Oh yeah, use a brush.
I want to cut the top too.
Okay. Oh shit.
Oh, so it's too much of a request here.
I could try. It's not terrible.
It's not that bad. See how like it's shorter up here, but it's like I have like a
Yeah,
long
yeah.
spot right here.
Okay.
Is that a 6?
No, this is 3.
Oh, that's too high.
Too high for
Yeah, too high for 3.
My bad. You put your head down.
Bowie, no. No.
Not bad, right?
Okay.
Okay.
There's
now.
scissors in my bag.
Hopefully there's a second mission.
Cut maybe like a centimeter off.
Yeah. It's kind of hard.
Oh, cut a little more than that. You just cut like a
I know.
2 millimeter
I want
off.
to see how it works. I don't know. It's really uneven. I guess it's a little bit, yeah. It looks pretty even.
Okay.
I guess it could be a lot better.
To blend it.
I don't know what blending
There's a
means.
roof right here.
What?
So this is done?
I wouldn't say done. I don't know. You tell me.
Alright, shake it off.
Shake it off? I need to get this out of me.
Yeah.
One time use.
One time use, terrible.
Alright. You wanna sit down?
No. After that experience, I kind of want to grow it and see what happens.
You serious?
We'll see. But I want to see your hair after you like wash it a little. It's not terrible. It's
Okay.
just not great. I'm telling you, like, if you see it in the light outside, it's so different. There's lots of places you can blend. You can do blending. Like this side did much better than this side because it's too high.
I'll just wait for like 4 or 5 days before I film.
4 or 5 days.
What? It's quarantine.
That's
Don't
so
meet
quick.
anybody anyway.
It'll be okay.
Any Zoom meetings?
It's okay.
궁금한 아저씨다.
어? 안 잘려 혼자. 머리 다 자르고 나왔는데 it's not too bad. Huh? How do you feel? You feel satisfied, Jake?
Oh, I feel so. Oh yeah.
뭐 미용사가 안 자른 거에 비해서는 괜찮은 것 같아요. 뭐 언제까지 이 외출 금지가 될지 모르겠지만 다음에 또 부탁해야 될 수도 있어요. Thanks, Jake.
No problem.
Thanks, Ariel.
Wait, thank Bowie.
Bowie. 안녕.
Thanks for eating the hair, Bowie.
진돗개예요. 한국에서 입양됐어요. 바이바이.